If you take land and sit on it without developing it to make it productive, you will die of hunger. So it's true, we want land, but the land must be made productive. It must be made productive so that you can live off it. It doesn't mean if you get a land, you will automatically become rich. I've owned a farm now for about 10 years. I didn't get any cent from that farm. So that's what I was saying yesterday, that land by itself, without you working on it to make it productive, will be meaningless. That's what I was saying. Then today, somebody called one of the radios and made disparaging statements about me, about travel. All I can say is that ignorance is very dangerous. They should read my biography, they should read my history, and it will be good to know that if it comes to suffering, I didn't suffer lesser than anybody. If it comes to fighting, I didn't fight less than anybody. We had different formations in which we were fighting. There are those, all of us, President Myoma, President Pohamba, Comrade Nahas, all of us who were leaders, and none of us were on the battlefield of uniforms fighting. But since we're not producing food and weapons, we had to have diplomats, we had to have those who are going to campaign in the countries like Scandinavian countries to get assistance for those who are fighting. So the war, our struggle was waged at different levels. So ignorance of saying I was not fighting, it only comes from really an ignorant person. I wouldn't have been where I am if I was not contributing to the struggle. Thank you.